Hello, good afternoon and welcome. This is Sunday the 16th of July. There's some crosses that I wanted to have a look at, and these are crosses that are borne out by the Commitment of Traders report. So I've got the graph here. This is COP base, and we've got heavily bearish on the Commitment of Traders for the Australian dollar. That's the commercials, whereas the speculators are right the other way around. We have a 4.4 to 1. The commercials are short the Australian dollar. And we've got a very similar story on the New Zealand dollar. This is even more a copycat. The commercials are way down here. They are very heavily short. They're actually 6 to 1 short, and the speculators are the other way around, completely the other way around. So that is sort of like textbook sort of look to that. And we'd like to look at them against the Japanese yen. Now the Japanese yen, the commercials are long, so this makes a really good pair to parry up together, where you've got an extremely long Japanese yen position and an extremely short Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar position. So if we go over to the charts, we can have a look at them. We've got a divergence between the commercials. That is, the commercials on the Australian dollar are 4.4 short, and the Japanese yen is 4.2 long. So we've got 8.6 divergence between the two. So and also on here we have another divergence. The candles have been making a higher high, and the RSI has been making a lower low. Now, that isn't extreme, you know. Sometimes it sort of like comes down to a fair old angle, but that is quite mild divergence on the RSI and extreme on the candles. So that does bode well for a short on this pair, and we've got a divergence of 8.6 to 1, as I said. And the other pair would be the New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. Again, we have divergence on the candles and on the RSI. And the RSI actually has just been going down and down, but we have actually sideways movements on the candles. So and that's over a longer period. We have the divergence on this. There is, yeah, we're actually 10 to 1 short. If you look just at the commercials on their own, the commercials on the New Zealand dollar are 6 to 1 short, 6 to 1 short, and the Japanese yen is 4.2 long. So that gives us an overall of 10.2 short. Yeah, so you could take your pick with these. You've got resistance 83,775. That is a turning point historically. It was this last high over here. So basically, I don't see much more upside in this, and I think it would be a good risk-reward trade. And it's the same with the AUD JPY. It is actually up at resistance at the moment, up close to recent highs. That is also a turning point historically. So take your choice, see which one you prefer. Okay, thank you all for watching. Thank you. Bye now.